Over the weekend, Meta dropped two new Llama 4 models, a smaller model named Scout and Maverick, a mid-sized model that company claims can beat Geppetto 4o and Gemini 2 across a broad range of widely reported benchmarks. Maverick quickly secured the number 2 spot on LM Arena, the AI benchmark site where humans compare outputs from different systems and vote on the best one. In Meta's press release, the company highlighted Maverick's ELO score of 1417, which placed it above OpenAI's 4.0 and just under Gemini 2.5 4.0. Let me open up the next. The achievement seemed to position Meta's open-weight Llama 4 as a serious challenger. Then AI researchers digging through Meta's documentation discovered something unusual. In fine print, Meta acknowledges that the version of Maverick tested on LM Arena isn't the same as what's available to the public. According to Meta's own materials, it deployed an experimental chat version of Maverick to LM Arena that was specifically optimized for conversationality. So essentially what Meta did is they gamed the test. They said, what is the test looking for in order to get good numbers, good results for numbers? And they fine-tuned their model. They deployed that. Then they got a good score and they said, see, our model is great. So you do have to wonder whether they're the only game in town that plays this kind of, gaming, essentially. And it's no surprise to me because programmers do this all the time. They'll game Jira boards or Kanban boards or story points or whatever. It's like a rite of passage. You have to game it with you have the tools right there. You can just program a thing to game a system, right? So it's no shock to me that Meta would do it, but is Meta the only one doing it? That would be my question. And which tests are other companies gaming with their AI models if they're doing it? So that they can get high scores, so that they can hype up AI and get that sweet funding. Like, I don't think it's crazy of me to think that happens. I don't think it's a crazy conspiracy theory. I think it's well within the realm of plausibility and possibility. I would consider doing it if I was an AI company. It's exactly the kind of thing that I would do if I wanted to demonstrate that my model is superior to others. I would find a way to game the test. What is the test looking for? Fine-tune the model, ship that out, and then claim the general model is that, and away I go. So, that's just me. Maybe I'm out, maybe I'm crazy, but I think this is par for the course as well. Jump through hoops to get money, says Gary Games. Yeah. Imagine how many workers are wasting their time instead of creating systems that benefit society. Yes. And I've been having this discussion on X online, asking people, what are we getting for trillions of dollars? What value are we getting for trillions of dollars and all the energy we spend on AI? We're getting Studio Ghibli and barely junior level code. And meanwhile, these people game the test.